Okay, hello class. Today I'm going to be explaining your homework assignment. So this is actually for the next day. You've got page 12, read the page. So read everything, don't skip anything at the very top there. And then it says 2-3, final side of the machine. So it's with the right hand, 5 times perfect, each row across. So if you notice, I'm over here with my notes. This is the English portion, but it's a dictionary now. And so over here are my stenographic notes. So they should look alike, okay? So it's on the right side of the machine, page 12, 2-3. And I've got the letters. I'm looking at my book, final T, final D, S, Z, D, Z, T, Z, D, S, E, S, E, Z, U, D, U, Z. So I'm going to check them. I'm going to go up here, scroll up. You have to click on it and then scroll up. Okay? And so I've got T, D, S, Z, D, Z, T, Z, D. Okay? S, E, S, E, Z, U, D, U, Z. So I did them perfectly. So that's 1 time perfect. I have to do it. And my homework sheet says 5 times perfect each row across. So I have to write 4 more perfect rows, okay? And so you all get the gist of it. It's going to be final T, D, it's with my right hand, D, S, Z, D, Z, T, Z, D, S, E, S, E, Z, U, D, U, Z. Okay, so I'm going to check it, and I'm going to start with T, D, G. So I did that wrong. T, D, G, so I'm already made an error. So I got to start over here. So I'm going to start over, paragraph, paragraph. And so here I go. T, D, I don't know what I'm doing. So I made a mistake, so I have to start over. Okay, so it's going to be T, D, S, Z, D, Z, T, Z, DS, and then you've got ES, EZ, UD, UZ. So let me check them. Start right here because this is should have my PF. So it's T, D, S, Z, D, I'm reading from my book, Z, T, Z, DS, got that, ES, got that, EZ, got that, UD, UZ. So that's twice perfect now. So I have 2 perfect ones. I need how many more? 3 more to get the 5 times perfect across. So take your time. If you make a mistake, PF, to let the lab assistant know you made a mistake. And if you want to complete extra rows, you can. It's only going to, you know, I say you need to focus on finishing the homework assignment, but if you have time, do some extra rows. That way it just gives you more practice and you just get a little better at it, okay? So that's for the homework assignment. Remember, 5 times perfect. And then now going on, and we've got 2-4, keyboard practice, 2-4, and what we're doing now is we're incorporating the asterisk. So you're going to look at the homework assignment. So it's going to be, now what you're doing is you're going to be using both the initial and final side of the keyboard. So you're going to have both hands on the keyboard, and be sure to use the right index finger, your right side, to press the asterisk. The asterisk is the star key, okay? You see it in my notes over here. And a hyphen, very important, a hyphen preceding a consonant denotes a final character. So on the bottom there, if I have a hyphen, that means it's on the final side, okay? If there's nothing there, it's just initial side. So let me start off. So I've got, and remember, I'm starting off with the S, because there's no hyphen, so it's initial, TK asterisk. Sorry, I have to start over because I had my hands positioned wrong. So let's start over. Okay, so I stroked PF, and here we go. STK asterisk PW HR asterisk. Remember, it's with your right index. AO asterisk EU asterisk. And then you've got final F, which is on the right side because there's a hyphen there. Final R, final P, final B, asterisk, and then you've got final L. So let's see if I did that correctly. So I'm going to go the very top, 2-4, STK asterisk, and then I've got PWH, perfect, R, perfect, asterisk, perfect. And we've got AO asterisk, and then EU asterisk, and I made a mistake. So I have to start over because that asterisk has an FR, so I got to start over. So I'm going to start over, and here we go. I got to start over because I have to have my perfect rows. STK, and I've already made a mistake, so I have to start over. PF, and just scroll down here so you can read your notes, okay? So let me start over, and here we go. Find a focal point and just try and get it as perfect as you can. So S, that's why I'm saying if you memorize the keyboard before class, very important. T, K, asterisk, P, W, H, R, asterisk, A, O, asterisk, EU, asterisk, and then these are on the final side because there's a hyphen there. So final F, final R, final P, final B, final or asterisk, and then final L. It's on the final side. So the L is FPL, final side, okay? So let's see if I did that correctly. So I'm going to go up here to the S. And I saw I already made a mistake because of that asterisk, so here we start. So you've got, oh, I actually started here. S, check it with your book, T, K, asterisk, P, W, H, R, asterisk, A, O, asterisk, EU, asterisk, F, it's on the final side. Notice it's on this side of the machine. You're not going to try and write a hyphen. It's just telling you it's on the final side of the machine. So don't think there's going to be a hyphen. And then you've got final R, final P, final B, asterisk, final L. So I did that perfectly. So that's one perfect row. You have to have 5 perfect rows. And that completes your homework assignment. Take your time, check your work, okay? Now notice on the English portion here, it does show you an asterisk if it's on the final side. So you could actually even just look here or here, whatever works best for you. Here it'll show you an asterisk F, asterisk R, that means the final side. Here it doesn't, it just shows you on your notes the letters, okay? So whichever is easiest for you to compare it to make sure you stroked it correctly, this side with the note, English portion, or the right side with the vertical notes, okay? Take your time and make sure you do everything correctly. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, okay? Have a wonderful day, you all.